Alright, now I got the whole unit back in. And that's what it looks like. I actually noticed something. This trim piece, this new one, sticks a little further away than when you line it up before mounting it to the whole panel. So when you think that your radio is flush with this, when you just put this on in the beginning like I showed, the panel actually sticks out a little further than that, so as you can see it developed more of a gap. It doesn't look terrible, but in hindsight, if you're going to be doing this install, you know, try to line the head unit up with the panel by itself at first. Push the head unit out as far as you can so that these two line up, because when you mount this panel to the larger panel, it's actually going to make this trim piece stick out, I don't know, like another 1/8 inch or so. So yeah, fucking everything works though. Pretty good head unit here. It's the JVC KWV130BT Bluetooth, you know, microphone, all that. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone out. Thanks.